Hello children, today we will start the lesson next part of this consumerist culture written by Cherry and Alexander. Hope you understood the first 4 paragraphs. So let me start the 5th paragraph. Until a decade or two ago, we Indians were relatively unaffected by all this. Not all this refers to what? The shopping malls. Because in the 4th paragraph we have seen that many shopping malls have been started in our country. Even the television commercials also provide and they were interlink the connection between these two shopping malls as well as television center. They also mingled with each other and in order to attract the attention of consumers. Right, that's what we have seen. So that is here refers to this here. And not any longer trendy, brightly lit shopping centers overflowing with all kinds of goods and bubbles have sprouted up all over the country. So we have even in the small centers also, small towns also. It says that everywhere in India, every part of the country have been filled with these shopping malls, shopping centers. And also these shopping centers they were overflowing and they have overflowing with all kinds of goods. Right, you can imagine, I think you know that if you go to shopping mall, in the shopping mall we can see all types of goods. It may be one side groceries will be there, one side the clothing will be there, clothes. If you want to purchase the clothes will be there. If you want to purchase the cosmetics will be there, food items will be there, right, snacks will be there, whatever the things, the furniture will be there, whatever the things that and all a person needs, everything is available in the shopping mall. You no need to go to different places in order to get. For example, if you want to purchase the cloth and also furniture at a time, what do you want to do? You have to go to the different places because furniture shop will be located in another place and the clothing shop will be located in the another place, right? So you have to go different places. You had right, you have to take the vehicle from here to there, like that it will be difficult for us. But nowadays it is not like that. Even one place itself, all will be located side by side, so you can enjoy the shopping there itself. Even though you have forgotten something, by looking those things you will remember and you will get the things. So that is the advantage also about the shopping mall. So even in every smaller town also these shopping malls are located. And the keyword now is, okay, they are all located. Now what else? What is up to now? So that's what the writer is telling. The keyword is now is choice. Now this is the choice for you. Of course they have established, they have started, they have arranged these shopping malls every place. Then what is there? So what? We have to question ourselves. So what? The writer is telling the choice, the keyword is choice, means the choice is left unto us, left unto you. Okay, whether you have to purchase the things or not, that it depends on us, it depends on you, individual. So at last say thrilled shoppers. We are beginning to get the kind of choice that people in the West have enjoyed for a long time. So, okay, at last the writer has given the name, that is thrilled shoppers. Mean though they need or not, okay, they will be purchasing the things. See, we are beginning to get the kind of choice that people in the West have enjoyed for a long time. Now we have started. In the West means what? Western countries already this trend is there. Going to the shopping malls, that and all, that is not our culture in Western countries. Western countries means what? UK, US, especially US, right? Those countries are called Western countries. Whatever the culture is there, now we are adapting that culture in our country. That's what the writer is telling. Now that is there, already there, enjoy, they have been enjoying for since long time. But now we have started, it is beginning for us to get the choice. There, whether you have to involve in the shopping or not, whether you want to become the thrilled shopper or not. So it depends on you. So nevertheless, the fascination with the choice can be carried to ridiculous lengths. Okay, so okay, it may be the attraction, so it can foolish actually, right? Based on the attraction you have chosen, if you have changed your choice whether to purchase the things or not, so it is like a foolishness for us, because the item is so good, so attractive, and you have decided to buy that item, then it is foolish. See, let me explain one more. A young man, after his first visit to United States, once described to me. Me refers to what? To whom? Author. Okay. One incident happened in the author's life. Now he is going to describe that. He is going to share that incident. What is that incident? A young man was the young man after his first visit to United States. Okay, imagine one young man already first time he visited United States and he came back to India and he began to share his opinion with this author. What? His eyes popping out in admiration and wonder that in America they have 83 different flavors of ice cream to choose from. Okay, it was so amazing, right? So thrilled. 83 different types of ice creams were their flavors, different flavor. It may be pineapple, mango, that many flavors were there in America. What? Ice creams. I think everyone's mouth is getting watered now, I think. Right. So 83, imagine, once let us turn our eyes to and attention towards ice cream. How good it is, right? Nowadays it is not good. Okay. But the author is 83, he has chosen this example and he was longing for something like that to happen in India. Okay, he was longing, he is desiring, why not in India? He is feeling that he is desiring that many types of different flavors of ice cream should be available in India also. Why not? He is questioning. So he is desiring for that, he is longing for that. So whatever the ice creams, different types of ice cream available in America, those ice creams should be there in India. How good it is. So he shared his opinion. It looks as if his dream has come true today. At least for the upper middle classes. So whenever he has seen that many ice creams are there in India, he felt that even that the true, what is that true, it is that dream of his dream, that is that many ice creams which are all available in India, even America, those ice cream that many types are available in India also, and because of that availability, the writer, so the dream has come true today. That's why he made this statement. Why did he say that his dream has come true today? Because he could able to see that many ice creams are available nowadays. So in olden days he thought like that, but now it has come true. At least for the upper middle classes in India, the high consumption lifestyles of their first world counterparts is now well within reach. Okay, so at least for upper middle classes are there, even their lifestyles, okay, little bit okay now, they can reach that much shopping malls and they can enjoy the shopping and take to it like ducks to water. It is like we are only giving the water to the ducks, we are taking water to the ducks. In olden days, actually ducks will be taken to the water, but so we ourselves have provided water to the ducks where they were staying. Luxury houses bursting at the seams with every imaginable material. Blessing are no longer rarities. For everyone whose definitions of the good life are premised upon the abundance of material possessions, the times have never been better. It means that luxury houses, even in India also, it has been made up with the best good material, imaginable material, even the middle class people, even upper middle class people, at least they can have the such type of good materialist house, and they can lead the good life in those houses. In olden days it was not there, but now it is little bit better. Next, the tragic comedy of development. Tragic comedy of development means, okay, the deep irony, the tragic comedy of development. See, one side these two are comedy and tragic comedy, different words. It is like a irony. Irony means what? Using the making the statements oppositely, completely opposite to the existing thing. Okay, we will make negative statements, and sarcastically we will make such type of statements. So here tragic is the negative word, comedy is the positive word, isn't it? It is. Comedy will make happy, tragic means everyone will feel sad. And but because of development this statement has come. What is that development? Actually development is the good thing. We have to achieve it. We should feel happy. Developing India, developed India, we feel happy to listen to the word development. But here the writer is a tragic comedy of development. Let me explain what is this tragic comedy of development.